Clicking the format painter for every cell, you are losing hours of your life. Today, I'm showing you the double click trick that will change how you use Excel forever. But before we dive into the video, I would kindly request you to continue with me from the beginning up to the end of the video, not forgetting to like, subscribe, comment, and share.
As you're seeing in the video, that we have two Excel sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So sheet 1 has all its text formatting in Times New Roman and font size 12. So as you can see, and for sheet 2, its text is in sticker text format with a font size of 9. And remember, we want to use Format Painter to apply the same formatting on sheet 2. The same formatting of sheet 1 onto sheet 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to select our all text in sheet 1, then move to our home tab. Then on our left, we are going to see the format painter, which looks like a broom shape. Then we double click on it, then we move to sheet 2, then we are going to select the whole text. Now you're seeing that the same formatting on sheet 1 is now applied on sheet 2. But remember, still Format Painter is activated. So to deactivate it, we are going to press on our keyboard escape to deactivate it.
If you found the video quite interesting, I'd kindly request you to subscribe to Infolab Academy channel, like all videos that are there, comment and share. Not forgetting that in the next video, I'll be taking you through how to use the email labels while organizing your emails. Thank you.